Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the VOGGV Small Bathroom Storage Cabinet, a sleek and practical addition to any home. This freestanding cabinet features 2 doors and 3 spacious tiers, combining open shelves and enclosed storage to keep your essentials organized and dust-free. Made from high-quality waterproof PVC foam board, it's perfect for bathrooms, living rooms, bedrooms, and more, handling humidity with ease. The wide top provides extra display space for flowers, photos, or memorabilia. Assembly is simple and quick thanks to the tenon and mortise design, letting you set it up in just minutes. Plus, this cabinet offers versatile storage for toiletries, towels, cosmetics, and other daily items, helping keep your space clutter-free and stylish. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.